Hello and welcome to What's the Math? Today I'm going to show you how to count money easily with the help of Excel. So if you have a jar of money you've been waiting long to count, but you haven't been bothered to open it and take it to one of those machines that counts it for you, well, maybe you could have some fun with it. So go ahead and open it. The best thing to do is to open it on a surface, a table, the floor, or even the bed. Open it up, get all the coins out, and then you're going to sort all of the coins by type. So you're going to create small piles. I'd go for piles of 10. So 10 coins of each type in small piles, and that makes it easier to count. And then you're going to open up a new spreadsheet file, whether you're using Excel or Numbers or some other spreadsheet software. You need to create 3 columns. One for the number of coin. So that's the amount of physical coins you're going to count. Another one, we're going to have our value for our, each coin type. Then you're going to need a total column. In this type column, you are going to type in all the decimal values of each coin. You might also want to count notes. So this is actually why I've put the ... there. Coins or notes. I still haven't heard of anyone really keeping 50s, so some people might do. You probably would take it to the bank, at least I would hope so. So that would probably suffice. Then what you need to do is set up this total column. It's going to add up the total within each type of tender that you have. So you're going to multiply the value of the coin or the note by the amount of coins or notes they have. Actually, we could actually change this to, no, let's leave it as the number of. Okay, obviously at the moment we don't have anything there, so maybe we could start by filling out some random values for this. Okay, and now you can copy the formula to all the cells by dragging on this lower right corner, like so. Now, it still doesn't tell you much. You're going to need to add a grand total. Now, before we do that, I'm just going to make it look a little bit prettier by changing it to currency format. Now here, I'm going to have my grand total. So I'm just going to put a line through there in the border to separate it. Merge these 2 cells. Grand total. Line it up. Obviously, you can format it which way you want, make it pretty to your own preferences. And then here, I'm going to sum up by using the formula sum. Open the bracket, select all of these cells by clicking, holding, and dragging. Then close the cell up with another bracket on the end. Press enter, and it counts up all of that money for you. All you have to do is count the amount of coins, the amount of physical coins or notes. The spreadsheet actually did the adding up for you. So that's the beauty of this. The other beauty of this is that you can now save this template, give it a significant name. So I've named mine money counter. Now I can just delete all of this information and it's ready for the next time that I want to count any money. So the next time that I fill up a jar, or the next time I do some fundraising, I can then at the end come up, open the spreadsheet, it's ready to go. I just insert the number of, and there you go. I hope that you have fun opening your own jar and creating your own spreadsheet. Let me know how you get on. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you've liked this video and leave it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.